Hi and welcome to the results video of week 26, and this is also the results for the month June. If we start here, we can see that we are up 18.85% in total, but as we can see down here, if we go from month to month, we ended in June with only 2.06% in profits. It's not the best profit, it's less than we expected, but yeah, that happens sometimes. As long as we don't do a minus, I'm happy. If we look at the results for week 26, if I go here to custom analysis and I choose here June, and from the 24th to the 30th, and click on analyze, you can actually see that we made a little loss in week 26. It's a small loss, 0.09%, but it is a loss. So that has affected the results for June. And there is also another reason that we didn't do so much profit this month. And I will show you that in our trading platform where I can follow the trades live. So let me switch over here to the trading platform. Okay, so here I am in our trading platform, MetaTrader 5, and you might not understand what you're looking at, but I will try to explain in an easy way. So here we have the open trades in the bottom here that actually is open now, and a trade is not a profit or a loss until the trade is closed. That's important to know. So as you can see, we have 7 trades open, and the most of them has the pair JPY in it, and most trades are actually in CHF JPY. And we enter the trade down here, as you can see with the green dashed line here, and since then the price has gone against us, and what that means is that the price goes up but we have a sell position. So what the robot has done from that part is actually open more trades to the sell. What has happened since then? We are up now here. Unfortunately, we are in an all-time high for this pair. But as we can see here, it has made it's in sort of a consolidation here. You can see the price just go sideways. So you can say that the pair is undecisive, and what we can do now is actually hoping that the price is going down here. And if it goes down, as we have a lot of trades, we can actually hope for the price to go down, and we can close all trades either in profit or in break even. That's what I'm hoping for, and I think it could be like that as well. But also I don't see any big issues with this, because we have such a good risk management that we can handle this, and we are currently in like 11% in drawdown, and drawdown is what I told you before, the open trades that is in minus, that's called a drawdown. I will actually make a video in my YouTube channel for education, you can say. So look out for that if you want to learn something about trading. So this is the situation, and this has affected the other trading, because we can't have too many positions open. We don't want to open more positions, because then we are, you know, nagging on the risk management, and that is nothing we want to do. We want to keep our risk management at a level that we feel comfortable with. So what we can do now is just wait and see what's happening, and have some faith and patience, and we will see what's happening. But this is the situation right now, and yeah, June was plus 2.06%, and that is a plus. That's all for this time. Thank you.